Don't squish it. Nah, you're holding it too tight. Loosen up, loosen up.
Wanna pet it?
It won't bite you.
I can bite. Wanna hold it?
Okay. You gonna video the pig too?
Don't squish it.
Put that
Don't
on YouTube.
Squish it. Hold it gentle. Hold it real soft, Jordan.
He's just barely holding it.
He's the chicken.
It's a neat little feather.
He got scared.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got him videoing it.
Come on. Go back over there. Go back over that way. Let's figure out. Make sure they can't get back through here again.
Jordan, go catch a chicken. Catch it. Get me some eggs.
Dad.
I got one, Jordan. Come on,
He go right here. You don't want to see that. Hey, did you quit?
Come on, hold it.
That's all it is.
Jordan, they won't bite.
What are you getting out? You don't want to mess with the chickens no more?